Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Ashley from xbackuniversity.com. And today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about the how to make your husband love you again. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. Make sure you give me a thumb up. And please also visit the resources section below and get the free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Your marriage seems to be going nowhere, and the man you had chosen for life isn't paying as much attention as he had vowed. You feel that the passion he once had for you is starting to fleet away. You need to tap into the mind of your husband and remind him of the torch you both held. So, how to make your husband love you again? Here are some tips to get his love back. Tip number 1. Has he really stopped loving you? Before you go about trying to get the lost love back, think about it. Has he truly stopped loving you? Is there even an actual problem in the relationship, or that's just you being overly paranoid? Look for clues or try your best to find out the way he feels. The best is probably to confront him and have an actual talk with your husband. Make sure he understands the way you feel. Why you think he had stopped loving you. Ask him how he feels. Probably it is all in your head. The simple solution is to just spend more quality time together. Tip number 2. Recognize the situation. Two of you are a couple, tied by vows and sense of faithless loyalty to each other. The responsibility lies on both of you to make the marriage work. You find that it should be the time to work things out together with your man again. There are plenty of factors on how the relationship could be affected. Consider some of the following: illness, lack of communication, lack of quality time together, economic problems, routine, etc. Pinpoint the issue and solve them together with your husband. Tip number 3. Find your own passion. You can never find that love without making sure that you love yourself again. Your husband falls for you because of who you are. What dictates you as that person captivate him. Find the passion in life you had once again. Enjoy them and incorporate them into your daily life. Enjoy what you love doing, and now you could have your husband to join in the fun. Tip number 4. Dress to impress yourself. Now that you are married, you feel no pressure to dress to impress anyone. Your pajamas will suffice. Not that your husband will mind. Right. Well, wear sexy clothing or anything that empowers you. Give yourself more time to make yourself sexier. Cleaning around the house. Be as sexy as possible when you are around him. Man can sense those vibes. It's really about building your inner confidence. Be sexy on the inside and you will easily get the attention you sought. Tip number 5. Remind him of the reason why he fell in love with you. You can't deny that your spouse loves you while the love might have diminished. It's still not too late to change that. Remind your husband why you are the one he loves. Do your best to have him experience that occasion when you both once met and fell in love. Exercise and lose those weight to return to the thinner you. Cut long hair to the shorter style you once wore with pride. But most importantly, spend time together. Have a weekend getaway. Just so the two of you could relive all the memories of why and how the red thread brings the two of you together and what marriage had brought into the table. See that marriage is for the best, and both of you should continue working together towards strengthening it. Above are 5 tips to make my husband love you again. Hope you enjoy this video. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out the resources below and get free report guide we recommended, and subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.